Hello everyone. Today I am taking you to a hidden gem near Bangalore, Hamsa Organic Farm, located at Dommasandra, right off Sarjapur Road. If you are someone who loves being close to nature, far from the city's chaos, then this place is going to win your heart. The farm has a small pond with ducks splashing around. We visited this serene place with our Bengali Puja committee for a community picnic. And trust me, it felt like we left Bangalore far behind. Lush greenery, open spaces, and peaceful vibe made this day outing truly refreshing. Kids had a blast here with plenty of activities to keep them busy, from trampoline and basketball hoops to tire swing and table soccer. There was even archery and indoor games. And it's not just about games. There are guitars, drums, book, perfect for relaxing and spending time your own way. We walked through the mango orchards, papaya, guava, and sapota trees. The farm is full of seasonal fruits and veggies. If you are up for a little adventure, there is a tractor ride too. One of the best part, there is a fully equipped kitchen on the farm. We cooked our own lunch and even prepared bamboo chicken right there. What an experience. They also have a pizza baking setup if you want to try something different.